Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited about what I'm sharing today. Imagine creating a full, high-quality video from script to final edit in just 10 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I just did it. And the best part? I used completely free AI tools that anyone can access right now. Stick with me, because I'm going to break down every single step of the process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it too. This isn't just about saving time, it's about revolutionizing your entire content creation workflow. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's get started. All right, the clock is ticking. Let's start with step 1, the idea and script. The biggest hurdle for any video is figuring out what to say. For this, I turn to a powerful AI writing assistant. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. I simply gave it a prompt like, generate a 300-word script for a YouTube short about the benefits of waking up early. Within seconds, I had a well-structured, engaging script ready to go. The key is to be specific with your prompt. Mention the tone, the target audience, and the key points you want to cover. This first step took me less than 2 minutes. The script was solid, but I did a quick read-through to add my own voice and a couple of personal touches. And just like that, the foundation of our video was laid. Next up, step 2, the voiceover. Now that we have our script, we need to bring it to life. If you're confident recording your own voice, great. But if you're short on time, shy, or just want a perfect take every single time, an AI voice generator is your best friend. I used a tool called 11 Labs, but there are other great free options out there. I just copied my script, pasted it into the tool, selected a voice that matched the vibe I was going for, in this case, something energetic and inspiring, and clicked Generate. In less than a minute, I had a crystal clear, professional-sounding MP3 voiceover file downloaded to my computer. The quality of these AI voices is astounding now. They sound incredibly human, with natural inflections and pacing. This step saved me at least 15 to 20 minutes of recording, re-recording, and editing my own audio. Step 3 is where the magic really happens, generating the visuals. A talking head video is fine, but for dynamic, attention-grabbing content, we need B-roll. In the past, this meant hours of searching through stock footage libraries. Not anymore. I used an AI video generator. I took sentences from my script, like a beautiful sunrise over the mountains, or a person productively working at their desk, and fed them into the AI. Tools like Pika Labs or Runway can turn these simple text prompts into stunning, short video clips. I generated about 10 different clips to match the key points in my script. The trick here is to think visually while you're writing your script. What scenes would best illustrate your words? This process took about 3 minutes, and I had a folder full of unique, custom-made visuals that perfectly matched my narrative. No more generic stock footage. Okay, let's move on to step 4, the music. The right soundtrack can make or break a video. It sets the mood and keeps the viewer engaged. Finding royalty-free music can be a real-time sync, but you guessed it, AI can help here too. I used an AI music generation platform. You can specify the mood, genre, and duration, and the AI will compose a unique track just for you. For my Waking Up Early video, I prompted for an uplifting, motivational, and cinematic track, about 1 minute long. Within seconds, I had a few options to choose from. I listened, picked my favorite, and downloaded it. This is a complete game changer. Not only is it fast and free, but the music is also 100% copyright safe, so you never have to worry about YouTube claims or strikes. This step took me literally 1 minute. We have our script, our voiceover, our video clips, and our music. It's time for the final step, step 5, putting it all together. This is the editing phase, and it's where you can really let the AI shine. I used an online video editor with AI features, like CapCut or Descript. These tools are incredibly intuitive. I started by uploading my AI-generated voiceover. The editor automatically transcribed it, which is amazing. Then I dragged and dropped my AI-generated video clips onto the timeline, syncing them with the corresponding parts of the voiceover. The AI transcription makes this super easy because you can see exactly where each word is spoken. I then added the music track underneath and adjusted the volume so it wouldn't overpower the voice. But here's the best part: the AI-powered editing features. The tool I used had an auto-caption function. With one click, it generated perfectly synchronized, animated captions for the entire video. This is crucial for viewer retention, especially on mobile. It also had an AI feature to remove silence, which automatically tightens up the pacing of the voiceover. I spent about 3 minutes arranging the clips, adding the music, generating captions, and doing a final check. The platform then let me export the final video in high definition. And that's it! A complete video from concept to export in just about 10 minutes. So let's recap the 10-minute workflow. 2 minutes for the script using an AI writer. 1 minute for a professional voiceover with an AI voice generator. 3 minutes creating custom visuals with an AI video generator. 1 minute for a unique soundtrack from an AI music composer. And finally, about 3 minutes assembling it all, adding captions, and exporting with an AI-powered editor. It's a simple, repeatable process that anyone can follow. The implications of this are huge. If you've been putting off starting a YouTube channel because you thought it was too time-consuming or expensive, that barrier is now gone. If you're a current creator feeling burnt out, this workflow can help you produce more content in less time, freeing you up to focus on strategy and community building. This isn't about replacing creativity, it's about augmenting it. These tools handle the tedious, time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus on the big ideas. It's about working smarter, not harder. I encourage you to try this for yourself. I'll put links to all the tools I mentioned in the description below, so you can check them out. Start with a simple idea for a short video and just follow the steps. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create something that looks and sounds professional. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and tools to find what works best for you. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, and a year from now, this process will likely be even easier and more powerful. And that's a wrap! That is how you can create a complete video in 10 minutes using nothing but free AI tools. I hope this was eye-opening for you and that you feel inspired to give it a try. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to leverage AI to grow your presence online, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.